Starting the first box of collecting stickers for the FIFA World Cup, I am sending the sprint job to my Sparkx on silk, yellow, gold and green. Let's check later how it went. And starting here the very first layer on the green first. Now swapping the filament to the change for the gold. Let's see how it goes. And here's the first part, the top of the box. See how it was. Oh, nice, really nice. Okay, now I still need to print the other half and the snap part to close the box. And the Sparkx, printing the bottom part and the snap closer mechanism from the box. Let's see, one more out to go. And the box is done here on the Sparkx. Let's see. Nice. And here the snap closure mechanism. Yeah, I'm gonna assemble the box. Let's see how it looks like. And very nice indeed. I'm impressed. The box assembled very well. And here's the snap mechanism to close the box. And box is rock solid. Very, very nice. The printing was very, very good as well. In silk PLA, green and gold. Very good. Nice.